Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we will show you how to remove or replace turn signal lever guys, or the one that you switch the headlights from low beams to high beams on Chevy vehicle guys. We will demonstrate on a 2015 Chevy Cruze, but it may work on Chevy Cruze, Sonic, Trax, Malibu and even Equinox guys. If it looks like that, okay, consult your manual guys first, but stay with us, we will show you what needs to be done. It may be the same for your model guys. No, not very complicated procedure, but you have to take quite a few things apart. And one of them will be we'll need to remove the driver's side steering wheel airbag, so we'll need to disconnect the car battery first. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Quick introduction, every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video, hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you need to buy any parts for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get them for a really good price and fast shipping as well. Let's start on it now. So first we need to open the hood. That will be the first step guys, support it. And now what we will need to do, we need to go ahead and find the battery, car battery. And now guys, it's very important how we disconnect it. Okay, you're going to disconnect the negative cable first. You always disconnect the negative cable first. Okay, so we're going to disconnect it with a 10mm wrench. Perfect. Now we're going to disconnect the positive. So that cap is actually broken. What I'm going to do, remove it, otherwise you just open it. Okay, and let me show you now. We're going to disconnect, okay, the positive terminal here. It's very important to disconnect both of them. Make sure that the negative is far away. Now what I'm going to do, I'll just go ahead, lift it up, okay, and I want to make sure it's not going to touch, so I'm going to put a couple, okay, a couple cords like that. Now what we need to do, we need to wait guys at least 1 hour before the repair. Now if you're not qualified or certified guys, okay, to work on airbags, do not do the job. I wouldn't recommend it. So consider that guys entertaining video, another how-to video guys, unless you have the necessary qualifications. So let's go ahead and continue now. So it's been at least 1 hour. Now we can go ahead and continue on the inside. So what we need to do next guys, we need to get the key, insert the key so we can turn the steering wheel. Okay, let me show you, all the way upside down. Okay, like that. Extend it as much as you can towards you so you have more room to work with. And now let me explain, okay, what's happening here. Okay, sorry about the camera being a little bit crazy. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a screwdriver guys. Okay, Phillips screwdriver, okay, like this one here. On the back you have 2 holes, so it's important to go in the holes. Okay, you may feel pushing a little bit of foam, that's fine. Make sure the battery has been disconnected at least 1 hour. Go in an angle. Okay, let me show you what angle we're talking about. Okay, hopefully you can see as much of an angle as you can guys. Okay, to the outside. Now you're going to feel one metal piece, and when you do, pry to the inside. Okay, and let me show you what's going to happen to the airbag. Okay, it's going to get loose on this side, okay, right here. Now we need to pull it a little bit, go to the other side. Now you're going to go, okay, this way facing, okay, to the outside on this side now. Okay, as much as you can. And grab the metal piece. Okay. Let me just grab it with 2 hands because I won't be able to. Okay, perfect. It came loose guys. Okay, let me show you now in a better angle. So once we disconnect it, I'm going to remove the airbag and show you how to do that. Now, what do we have here guys? Okay, right here, that orange thing needs to come straight up. I mean, don't twist it left or right or anything like that. Don't use any metal tools because you can guys explode that airbag and that can kill you. And gently pull it out. Airbag is out. Now, with that being said guys, I can explain, okay, what's happening here now. Let's just hold the light, okay, like that, so I can show you a little bit what's happening. Okay, perfect. Now, if I come with the screwdriver, okay, check it out, in an angle on the right side, okay, like that, I'm going to grab that metal piece right here and check it out how it moves. Okay, when I move the screwdriver to the outside, when I pry to the outside. Same thing happens, okay, on this side now. Okay, screwdriver is in. I'm going to pry towards the inside again, and that metal piece moves out as well. You can see, and that's how we guys, okay, disconnect the steering wheel airbag. So now guys, okay, we need to go ahead. Okay, you can see this is the bolt that we need to remove here next, and we need to disconnect the cables. Okay, just push here up, okay, and gently disconnect it. Now some of the cables will stay with the steering wheel. This airbag cable actually stays on the cork spring, I think, so we need to just push it out like that. Now let me show you what we'll be doing. I need to get, okay, Torx 50 star looking bit. Okay, we have the set here. You can find the links for all the tools in the description of the video below. Okay, and now we're going to come from like right here. I'm going to get a big extension, okay, big breaker bar, hold your steering wheel, have a second person hold your steering wheel, and get it loose, guys. Okay, just okay, most likely it has thread locker, so if it does, or even if it doesn't, I would recommend to put some. Okay, it's still going pretty tight, so let me see if I can actually do that with a little impact to do it a little bit quicker. I have my steering wheel positioned straight up, so I can see how to install it later. This is thread locker. You need to put quite a bit of thread locker here when you put it together, that way your bolt will not get loose, guys, from vibration. So grab your steering wheel, gently shake it now, feed the cable for the airbag here. Okay, be careful not to damage it. And you can see the steering wheel, guys, okay, came out like that. So let me show you guys what we need to do next. Why we had to remove the steering wheel, because right here now underneath there is two bolts, guys, and we're going to explain about that in a second. I'm going to get a plastic panel removal tool, guys, and we're going to, okay, pry that thing out. Okay, like that. Just get underneath, pry. Then on this side too, there is a few clips here that will come up. Okay, like that. Now what else we need to do, guys? You can see we have two hidden bolts. That's why we had to remove our steering wheel. So we're going to go ahead now, okay, and remove the two bolts. I'm trying to figure out if you have, okay, if the light is good on the camera. Okay, perfect. So I'll go ahead and remove this quick. Okay, one is out. Now we have one more on this side. Okay, almost out. Now we have one more that is hidden, guys. Okay, and it's hidden on the bottom side, okay, of the steering column. So let me explain to you, okay, where it is. You can see now, well, it is supposed to be right here, but this one is broken. Right here, guys, you have one more bolt. Okay, this bolt right here, you can see, and our holder is broken there. So definitely, guys, okay, you have to be careful. You can see this is where it's broken, but otherwise you have to remove that bolt. Okay, right here, and that bolt is with the same 7mm socket, guys, as you can see, but ours, okay, ours is cracked. So I guess it was too tight, and as a result it cracked, guys. So that piece out of the way now, we can continue, okay, with the next step and show you what we need to do. That's what it looks like with those trim pieces removed. So now, guys, how you remove, okay, that turn signal switch, or the one that you switch the headlights. Let me explain now. We're going to hold the camera right here, and I'm going to cover everything, guys. Right here on top you have one clip, then you have one on the bottom. Grab both of them at the same time and squish them in. Squish them in, okay, and then start pulling the switch out. After that, this is the wire that we need to disconnect. On the back side right here, there is one thing that we need to push in and then pull the wires out. So pretty simple. You can see you push here and you pull it out, and that switch, guys, came out. Now if you need to purchase a new switch, guys, okay, or you need to replace anything or any tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get everything for a really good price. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.